Hello everyone, and welcome to this video that will teach you all about how to sleep. You are here because you want to learn how to sleep. You probably may even want to learn all about sleeping, what it means, and what is the point of it. Well, this video is going to show you everything, so don't worry, don't fret. You know, I'm going to explain it all. Calm down. Okay? So we need to start with explaining what sleeping is, because if we don't know what it is, then how can we possibly do it? Well, I haven't actually looked up the definition of sleeping, but I believe it is when you close both of your eyes for around 10 hours, maybe 12 hours, and then you open up your eyes again after that, and that is sleeping. So now we know exactly what sleeping is. Well, the definition mentioned closing both of your eyes, but how on earth are you supposed to do that? Well, what you need to do is to grab your hand, and there should be a finger and a thumb, like this, and then you put it like this, and then you close one eye, like that. You can see one eye is closed, and then you do the same with the other hand, like this, and then you close the other eye, like that, and then you just sleep. You just sleep for like 10 hours or so, like this. You don't really talk that much, but you can if you want, but it's recommended that you don't. So this is really the essence of sleeping. It's the bare bones of sleeping, but it's not quite sleeping, because I don't feel asleep at the moment. If anything, I feel more awake than I have ever been before. So we need to try and find another method that will actually get us into the state of sleep. So let's give that a go. Well, how do you actually reach the state of sleep? What do you need to do in order to do that? Well, the best thing to do will be to find somewhere that you find relaxing, somewhere comfortable. So I'm just going to show you an example of what that might be. So just find somewhere. Oh, I've got the floor. So what you want to do is just lie down on the floor, like this. Oh, this is nice and comfy. Oh wait, you can't really see me from down here. It's not the best example for visual demonstration, so I'll have to find somewhere else. I can't sleep on the ceiling, so it's not a good idea. I'll just have to use the bed. Just have to use this, just to show you, but you want to find somewhere really comfortable, but we don't have that unfortunately. So I'll just use the bed for now. So once you're on the bed, like this, then you just want to find a comfortable spot, a comfortable position that will allow you to just drift off to sleep. So I'm just going to see if I can get into such position. Oh, this one's quite good. Yeah, I could fall asleep like this. But I don't quite feel tired enough to fall asleep right at this moment in time. But there's other things that I'm going to have to do first in order to get to that sleep. So if you're struggling to get to sleep because you're just not feeling tired or sleepy, then a good thing to try will be to do some exercise beforehand. So let's just do a bit of exercise, and that will get us tired, you know? So I'm just going to try that now. I'm going to do a few press-ups, so maybe that will make me more tired. We'll see. Just get in a press-up position like this. Okay, ready? Well, as you can see, exercise really does help make you feel sleepy and tired, but what if that just isn't working for you? Then what are you to do? Well, you'll just have to try something else. Now, another good thing to try will be to get into different sleeping positions. Maybe one of those will help you just fall to sleep. So I'm just going to give that a go and see if that's going to help me sleep. Let's see. So unfortunately none of those positions helped me to sleep at all. I was just completely wide awake. So unfortunately I'll have to try something else. Maybe that worked for you, who knows? But for me personally, it's just not the right thing that will help me sleep. So what else can you try? Some people have said counting sheep is a good idea, so I'm going to find out if it is. And I'm going to report back to you if that is the case. 1 sheep. 1 sheep. No, I've tried it. I've been counting in excess of 1 sheep, and it's just not helping. I don't feel tired. You know, I spent several few seconds on that, and it's just not working. So, not the best method for me. Maybe it is for you, but you know, we'll keep trying. We'll get through this. We'll find something that works for both of us. The next technique that you can try involves staring. If you continually stare at something, maybe your eyes will get bored and just close because they've had enough. They can't be bothered to stare at anymore. So we'll see if that works. So I'll just try staring. Well, it's working. My eyes are definitely getting bored, if nothing else. Yeah, they're starting to close. Oh, sorry about that. I don't know if that technique was working, the staring one. I just completely zoned out there, so maybe you could try and find out for yourself. But I feel a bit delirious at the moment. What happened? Where am I? The very final technique that you can try is knocking yourself out, and I'll show you a demonstration of what you need to do in order to achieve this. So let's see if that works. Now, what you want to do is make sure that you land somewhere comfortable, because if you knock yourself out and you land somewhere uncomfortable, then it's just going to be a painful experience. Okay? So, with that being said, let's try. So, start high, and then I should be able to fall down somewhere. Okay, let's try. Well, I can safely say the last technique that I just tried didn't work. I just ended up hurting myself. So don't do that. It's not a good one. And that completes the guide to falling asleep. Now, if you still haven't managed to fall asleep even after all of these techniques, then maybe there's something else that you can try. This isn't the be-all end-all. Maybe someone who's been watching this video has discovered the technique of sleeping themselves, so hopefully they'll share their findings with everyone in the comment section. So just stay very close to the comment section and you just may see a solution there. Now I'm going to go off and see if I can try and sleep some more, because I've been awake now for quite some time and it's getting pretty boring, so I'll just see what the sleep has to offer. So I'll catch you all later. See you. Sleep on here. Oh, that's sleepy. Can you believe it? I'm actually sleeping. I never thought I'd be able to do it, but I'm managing it. This is a surprise to all of us. Oh, you've got to try this yourself. It's so much fun. I like sleeping. It's really good.